Okay, so we're at Ladysmith Oktoberfest, and everything's starting to happen here. We got the sleds pulled in, and we are all set up.
Brakes are up, draws down on the chain, and away we go. All right, Susie got it up to so far. Way down the track, and I think the mark to beat was 180 feet right now is your leader. 80 feet. We'll get you the last driver down here in just a moment, and then we'll give you the 2, and we'll give you an update. Making his way out onto the track. He's all set. Truck's warmed up. Alrighty, a nice run down. Locomotive coming your way. 266 feet to mark. That's going to be close. That's right into the action here with Plankton.
Oh.
In the meantime, Robert Bryson on the Red Lady up on the track right now. Here we go.
Obviously, it's not the plug's fault. We're running the hottest plug we can get, and we're not. It's something that it's not the ignition now because we got an MSD and a 7AL on it. So something in the engine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, runs her till she runs right in the...